I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
So here we have our wireless charging solutions. This is the 15-watt in-cabin wireless charger. It's automotive and CE qualified. And this is the industrial version. This one has an AURIX inside, and this one is run by XMC. The rest of the solutions are consumer, are also with XMC inside, and those two are also inductive as the first ones. This is a 5-watt reference design for small wearables such as task boots, electric charging, and this other is a 30-watt design for example, for home appliances. And finally here we have our resonant solution. This has a different technology which much higher frequency, and the advantage is that you would be able to charge several devices at the same time. You can go to infineon.com/wireless charging and you will find all the information there.